This is our presentation about the special community PWCY, made by Clara, Aldo, and Ayu. First of all, what is PWCY and what makes them special? PWCY is a community that provides a place for the students learning about journalism and leadership. This community teach and gives some reason to be a journalist to their member. PWCY also teach how to be a good leader. They just want to show that everybody has soul of the leader and all of them are capable to be a leader. Even this is a community, but they have no structural committee. They make this community as their own family. So, all of the members feel the real sense of kinship with one another. And it makes their relationship is very tight. If there is a member that has problem, they will help this person to solve the problem. And then they will know the other personality of the togetherness of each member. See, this community is related to us, especially we are from English Literature department and we also study journalism. But they are not only focusing in academic aspect, but they also work in non-academic aspect. If there is a member want to make a movie, the other member will help this person to make the better movie. They also have a lesson how to make a good movie together. And also, they made some books, and it will be explained by Aldo later.
Moreover, PWCY is also supported by prominent figures like GKR Hemas, Gus Dur, Heri Zudianto, and Romo Mangun. Since PWCY was formed in 2006, there are several activities and events that had been done by PWCY. First, PWCY as a community had published several books about Heri Zudianto, GKR Hemas, Romo Mangun, and Gus Dur. Second, PWCY had held an interactive dialogue with Heri Zudianto. They also had held a seminar of journalistic event in Yogyakarta. PWCY had an activity which so-called Ekspedisikan Jogja. It was an interesting activity from this community. They were traveling around Jogja using Trans Jogja and then interview people for their opinions about using Trans Jogja at the same time. They also had held an event that called Terima Kasih Award. It is an award given by the community to some prominent figures, for example, like Heri Zudianto. And then there is also Facebook Award. It is an award which is given to the most active student in social media in terms of education. Moreover, PWCY, supported by Yogyakarta's government, had gave Sang Inspirator Awards to 3 female students in Yogyakarta for their roles in supporting and sharing education in their societies. And then the last, they also had made several movies. For the examples, movies about anti-corruption and Romo Mangun.
Since 2006, PWCY has achieved some achievements. Like Aldo said before, they have written and published several books related to the prominent figures for Yogyakarta. This is one of their books entitled 12 Putri Berbisik Tentang Heri Zudianto, and this book was written by 12 students, all of them are girls. Why did they choose Heri Zudianto? It's because as students, they need motivations, especially from the prominent figures, and Mr. Heri, who is a Yogyakarta mayor, is an inspiring person and a proper role model for them. Furthermore, one of their derivative communities, Komunitas Pohon Anti Korupsi, is the first group of students who had a private audience with the Indonesia's Anti-Corruption Eradication Commission in Jakarta. And she is Ayuning Tias Rahmasari, one of PWCY's members, who also received an award from the State Minister for Women Empowerment as a Tunas Muda Pemimpin Indonesia. She is also the founder of Komunitas Pohon Anti Korupsi that I've mentioned before. Actually, the achievements or awards that they've received were not given for PWCY, but those were the individual awards for what they've done in PWCY. Besides receiving the achievements, they also give awards for those who have helped and supported the community, which are Okto Lumpito as the chief of editorial staff in Kedaulatan Rakyat newspaper, Heri Zudianto and Harian Jogja newspaper, as they are close to some newspaper columnists including Kompas. Well, from those explanations we've given, we all can see that there are things that help them, that keep them together. The first obvious things that happens between them is the real sense of kinship, how they support each other positively at all time. They also develop, learn, and train their leadership value on themselves together while funding the new experiences in PWCY. The members can help each other both academically and non-academically. They can ask and be asked anytime about the school subjects. They can freely share their stories or problems with others. Of course, all of them make no distinction between every difference like age, religion, ethnic group, and so on. Lastly, as we mentioned before, PWCY doesn't have any exact date of an open recruitment, so it accepts any new members with open hands instead, so they feel free in accepting any new members anytime. So, if you want to know more about them or their activity, visit them on Facebook in New PWCY, on Twitter at dihati_pelajar, through email in pwcy@yahoo.co.id, or kindly visit them at Dinamika Edukasi Dasar Quera Eli in Kejayan Street number 14, Sleman, Yogyakarta. Well, in conclusion, we appreciate your time and we hope by the time this video ends, you can see how interesting PWCY is as a place for students who want to learn journalism and leadership. Thank you.